Hello guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. So in this project tutorial, we will learn that how we can see our uart or serial data on the virtual terminal with the help of PIC microcontroller. The software we are using for simulation is the Proteus 8. So first of all, you must know that we first need to make a simple circuit, then we will go for our micro C PIC programming. First, you need to click on this part and then on P. And here you need to write PIC 16F 877A and we will get our microcontroller. So this is our microcontroller. After it, we need to take one serial monitor or virtual terminal. So this is our virtual terminal, we need to connect it. So there are two pins, that is RxD and TXD. RTS and CTS are not going to be used. So RxD must be connected with C6 of the PIC 16F877A and RC7 with the TXD. These are the pins specially built in for the serial communication. Okay, now we also need to connect the power pin to the mClear R VPP pin. This is the enable pin of the microcontroller. So it must be connected with the VCC or 5 volt. Okay, now we will take one crystal oscillator. So we can write XTEL or crystal. So this is our quartz crystal. It is used for to provide the clock to the microcontroller. Okay, now OSC1 is the one terminal of the microcontroller and OSC2 is the second terminal of the clock for the OSC. Okay, now we also will use 22PF capacitor which will create RC time constant for us. So we will take any type of, just take any type of, but be sure that they must be non-polar. So connected like this, and on the other side they must be connected, and then they need to be connected with the ground. So we will use the 8 megahertz. So okay, so this is our simple circuit. Now we will go towards our programming. Okay, in micro C you need to click on new and new project, and here standard. Okay, it's okay if we use right like 444 and next and finish. Okay, here we will write this code. This is a very simple code in which you need to okay also take this uart library. Okay, so okay, now this is a very simple code for to send the string type data on the uart or serial port. So we will write here Nelson Darwin. Okay, now here they just used to write uart1 underscore write text and Nelson Darwin. Even these two lines are not necessary. So first is the initialization of the uart port, then wait for 100 milliseconds so that our uart module will be initialized and stabilized. Then we will send this string data on the serial port or virtual terminal. So we will click on this and delta 444, then this and then this and okay, and then save, and we will write here delta 555 uart. We will save it. Okay, now our hex file is created and saved. Now we will go again to the Proteus. We will double click on the controller. Here we need to write 8 megahertz. Then double click on this option and go to PC, go to F, and here you need to go to where is our Okay, yeah, here in output folder we have our delta 444 uart.hex. So hex file must be uploaded. Okay, now we will run our controller, and here you can see that it is written Nelson Darwin on the virtual terminal. So you can send any sort of data on the UART port of the PIC 18F 877A. So hopefully you got this concept. So thanks for visiting our channel.